How to forward an email automatically in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Gmail, and to forward a mail automatically, you'll need to change your settings. So tap on the gear icon on the bottom right and then tap on see all settings. Now, there you'll be able to see forwarding and POP option. So go ahead and tap on it, and here you'll need to add a forwarding address. So you can add the email address of the person whom you want to forward it to and hit next. And that's it. And you can also change the settings here according to your wish. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.